Abysmal. Extremely bad, awful, or very poor in quality. Her performance was abysmal this season. This food tastes abysmal at this restaurant. Cluttered. Messy or crowded with too many things, not neat or organized. We need to clean our cluttered room. She sat at a desk cluttered with papers. Cramped. A space that is too small, crowded, or uncomfortable. The space is cramped. I need to change it. My room was small and cramped in the hostel. Dilapidated. In very bad condition because of age or lack of care. The house is now rather dilapidated. They live in a dilapidated flat. Eminent. Famous, respected, and important in a particular profession, field, or area. He is eminent in his field. One of the world's most eminent film directors, Tom, is coming to my party. Excessive. More than necessary or too much. He spent an excessive amount of time on work. I ate an excessive amount of food at night. Fickle. Someone who changes their mind, feelings, or decisions very often, especially without a strong reason. The weather here has been constantly fickle. She was too fickle to make a decision. Forlorn. Feeling sad, lonely, abandoned, or hopeless. I felt completely forlorn after losing my favorite dog. She was deeply forlorn over the death of her husband. Imminent. Something that is about to happen very soon, impending. The phone was in imminent danger of falling on his face. I was in imminent danger of falling on the road. Indignant. Feeling angry or upset because you think something is unfair, wrong, or insulting. She got indignant at the customer's rudeness. We were indignant that they hadn't been invited us at the party. Inevitable. Something that will happen no matter what you do. You have to pay the tax, it's inevitable. It was inevitable that the storm would cause delays in our travel plans. Jaded. Tired and bored after doing the same thing for a long time without a break. I am jaded from years of work as a computer operator. He became jaded after doing the same thing. Meager. Very small in amount or quality. I ate a meager breakfast this morning. With a meager income, he can't afford luxuries. Opaque. Not transparent. You cannot see through it. The bathroom has an opaque window for privacy. I bought an opaque glass for the door. Tentative. Not final or fixed yet, or done with hesitation or uncertainty because things may still change. She is tentative about the next meeting. Her wedding date is tentative, so we have not yet booked the bus tickets. Ubiquitous. present everywhere or found in many places at the same time. The restaurants are ubiquitous in this area. Smartphones have become so ubiquitous that it is hard to imagine life without them.